Hey everyone, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys the newest way that I retwist my locks. This does not include any type of toxic locking pomades or gels. This strictly includes healthy products such as my Nature's Blessings hair grease and my Jamaican black castor oil. So if you're interested in a highly detailed video giving you the benefits and all the good stuff, then stay tuned. Okay, so once my hair has air dried for about 2.5 hours, I go ahead and start my retwisting. Sometimes I wait for the very next day just because I like how my locks, like the length of the locks look. It looks more full. It doesn't look stringy straight out of the shower. So I find that to be more beneficial. But here I waited about two hours before I started to retwist. And now I'm just grabbing my banana clips, as I always do, so that I keep my hair organized and I allow for each lock to get retwisted the right way without any, tangled mess and locks trying to intermingle and whatnot. All right, so I decided to go with the front portion of my hair just so that you guys can get a really good close-up look. As you see, I kind of finished out the back a little bit. But now I am taking out a whole row of locks and I'm taking my Nature's Blessings grease and I apply it to my roots, all of the roots of the locks that I plan on retwisting. Sorry about the focus issue right here, but I promise it gets back into focus soon. So shortly after that, I put my castor oil on my roots. I use the applicator little nozzle thing and I put it on the roots, and now I am just going, mixing it, rubbing it in so that my locks get all the moisture. As always, I retwist in a clockwise motion on some, and then the others, I kind of retwist the other way. Depends on the way that my hair lays. For some reason, I have to kind of switch here and there as I retwist my entire head because some locks just lay better and they keep better when I twist them the opposite direction, if that makes any sense, right? So, yeah, I'm using my clips to keep these locks down. It's not a bad thing to use clips, guys. You just don't want to keep the clips in for a long duration because that might lead to thinning and your hair just breaking, especially if you go ahead and use heat on top of the clips. But I'm just air drying my hair for a few hours and then I take these out. So as you can see, with that amount of castor oil and the Nature's Blessings grease, it's enough for me to twist without having to go in and apply and reapply. I'm just keeping it very simple. I love how the combo of the Nature's Blessing hair pomade and the castor oil, I like the combo and how it makes my roots look shiny, moisturized, and juicy. I just love that juicy look, especially when I do my hair. I want it to look, fresh out the stylist seat. So obviously I'm doing it here myself at home, but I want it to, to have that look as if I just got it done. Um, yeah, so here I am grabbing another row of locks out of the banana clip and I just continue just so. I repeat the same routine over and over. Take a few rolls of locks, take my Nature's Blessing grease, apply it, and then I take the castor oil and apply it on the top and on the bottom and rub it in for that nice punch of moisture. The Nature's Blessings pomade is good enough. I hear a lot of people use that alone to retwist their hair. But I feel like for me, the castor oil just really adds to the hold. Obviously, I'm not using any type of locking gel. I talked about that in a previous video. I threw away my Jamaican mango and lime locking gel just because I did not like some of the products, well, not the products, the ingredients that were included in that product. And I just wanted to go with what I felt more peace about. And right now, what gives me peace is using products that have mostly natural ingredients in them, things that do not lead to any type of alarming medical condition later on in the road. So I feel good about it. I feel good when I dig my hand into the product jar and use my hands to apply. I don't feel cringy about touching parabens and whatnot. I feel good. I feel great because my hair seems to like this right now. Another reason why I used castor oil on top of the Nature's Blessings hair grease is because I want that hold on my edges. Girl, look, I'm still trying to get past the no laying down of the edges with these crazy gels and edge control tamers and whatnot. I'm still trying to get it together. And obviously, when you retwist your hair, you want your edges to lay down. You want it to be slick and, crisp. And that's the type of look that I'm going for. So the castor oil really helps to hold my hair down and lay it down as long as it possibly can, which is just maybe a day. and then um and then I just have to deal with my edges not laying down, and that's okay. Your edges don't always have to lay down. They can be simply put without all the extra products and whatnot. So if you've never heard of Nature's Blessings hair food or hair pomade, it's all the same thing. And you can find it at your local beauty supply store or you can find it on Amazon. The ingredients included in this include nettle, rosemary, sage, peppermint, thyme, alfalfa, pure virgin olive oil, pure coconut oil, sage oil, rosemary oil, bergamot oil, and pure mineral jelly. I know that the pure mineral jelly kind of made somebody, crack their neck a little bit, but it's not so bad. It's really not bad, especially considering all of the other goodness that is included in this hair product. It really is worth a try. It really is. But I understand not everyone is keen towards it. I'm just letting you know what I use. And I found it to be really good. My hair always maintains excellent moisture when I use it. I only use it at the roots, but I'm telling you, when I use it at the roots, it shows and it keeps a nice moisturized look in my hair for maybe about 3 days. 3 days, my roots look like they're shining, and I love it. And when you add on the castor oil, you can only imagine the added benefit. Castor oil is excellent for all hair types, so anyone can use it. You can use it on your hair. For the men, you can use it on your beard. Castor oil is a great natural hair thickener. So not only does it thicken your hair and regrow those spots that you might have lost some hair due to alopecia and other things that might go on throughout your hair journey, but it also moisturizes your hair. It strengthens it and it increases hair growth. It makes sure that the follicles receive all the nutrients needed in order to grow. And if you are one of these ladies or men that deal with breakage, dandruff, eczema, dry and itchy scalp, castor oil is perfect for you. So I tell you, castor oil is excellent. If you want, you can go ahead and try this as well. Add this into your hair routine. For me, I find it so beneficial, especially because I want my roots to be as strong and thick as possible. If you guys did not see the video I posted maybe a few months ago, where I gave you guys kind of like a tour of all of my locks, up close and personal look at all the kinks and quirks and imperfect things concerning my locks, and just how individual they all look. They all have different kinks and quirks. I told you that on the right side of my head, I deal with kind of like a thinning situation with my edges. And this could be for many reasons. Many reasons. I won't even go into those reasons. But I find that using castor oil, is kind of helping it to grow slowly but surely. Um, but I wouldn't have it any other way. If I see that my hair is thinning, I'm not going to go ahead and grab something that's harmful. I'd rather use something natural. And for me right now, castor oil is working. I am still experimenting with other natural things, but right now I'm sticking to just the basics before I then go ahead and add on to my basics routine. And I spoke about this in yet another video. Locks are what you make it. You can make it as simple or as detailed. You can do whatever you want with your locks. It doesn't even have to be just wash and go. You can do the most. It's your head of hair. So, yeah, I just say that to say, because I don't want some of you guys to take my journey and think, well, oh, I need to do this and that. No, you can keep it simple and achieve the same results pretty much. Okay, so we are coming down to the finish line, and like I mentioned before, I keep saying that, don't I? Like I mentioned before, when I get to the front, I try to twist a little bit less tight as I did in the, I mean, I don't twist very tightly, but I try to take extra precaution around my edges because I know that my hair texture is a little bit more soft and um, fragile around the edges. So, yeah, guys. That is pretty much it. Now I'm just rolling, and clipping. And yeah, as you can see, the moisture is popping, sis. The moisture is popping, and it will remain popping for another 2 days until I then have to spray my hair and moisturize like I do throughout the week. But I encourage you, if you're looking for a natural way to maintain moisture, if you're looking for ingredients that are less harmful to you and more natural and organic, try the Nature's Blessings hair pomade with the Jamaican black castor oil. I'm telling you, sis, girl, you will really enjoy it. Your hair will enjoy it. But if you're not interested in the super natural way of retwisting, you can always add in your favorite retwisting gel with the Jamaican castor oil and the Nature's Blessings, because that's kind of what I did before when I was using the Jamaican mango and lime gel. And I realized that I really didn't need the Jamaican mango and lime gel. I just needed the two other ingredients that I used coupled with that product. So that's it, guys. This is the day after. As you can see, it got a little bit more frizzy. Even though I tied down my hair, things happen. And I'm just at a stage now where I'm not really getting upset about the, frizz and everything being super neat. I never really enjoyed super neat hair anyway. So, yeah, here's what it looks like a day after. It's still maintaining its hold. It still looks fresh. It still looks moisturized, popping, juicy, all that good stuff. So, yes, I encourage you, ladies and men, if you are interested in trying this out, do try it out. Let me know. Hey, if you do not follow me on Instagram. It's Desiree Marie _ and tag me in a photo of you using this method on your locks. I would love to see it. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Later. Bye.